Imagine a world where the ground shakes with every step you take. The air is thick with the calls of ancient creatures, and the forests are alive with the sounds of life from a time long before humans ever walked there. Earth. In this world, every shadow could hide a giant, and every rumble in the distance might signal the approach of something truly colossal. This was a world ruled by giants, enormous creatures that dwarfed anything alive today. Towering sauropods stretched their necks to the treetops, while armoured dinosaurs lumbered through the undergrowth. But among all these incredible animals, one stood out as the undisputed ruler. 66 million years ago, at the very end of the age of dinosaurs, one predator reigned supreme, Tyrannosaurus rex, whose name means tyrant lizard king. With its massive jaws, bone-crushing bite, and keen senses, the T-Rex was the apex predator of its time, feared by all who shared its domain. This legendary predator was not only one of the last dinosaurs to walk the earth, but also one of the largest meat-eaters ever discovered. Its reputation as a fearsome hunter has captured our imaginations for generations, inspiring countless books, movies, and scientific debates. But what was T-Rex really like? Was it truly the terrifying monster we see in movies, or was there more to its story? Did it rely solely on brute strength, or did it possess intelligence and complex behaviours that helped it survive in a dangerous world? The story of T-Rex begins over a century ago, in the early 1900s, when fossil hunters in the American West made a discovery that would change our understanding of prehistoric life forever. They unearthed a skull so massive, it was the size of a small car, evidence of a creature unlike any other. Since that first discovery, scientists have worked tirelessly to piece together the life of T-Rex. Through painstaking research, they've uncovered clues about how it lived, how it hunted, and how it ruled its ancient world. Each new fossil, each new study brings us closer to understanding the true nature of this incredible animal. Join us on this journey as we explore the legend and the reality of the mighty T-Rex. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of the king of the dinosaurs and discover why its story continues to fascinate us to this day. Just how big was T-Rex? When we think of dinosaurs, the Tyrannosaurus rex is often the first to come to mind, and for good reason. Its sheer size and presence have captured imaginations for generations. But to truly appreciate this prehistoric giant, let's break down what made T-Rex so impressive, starting with its size. Picture a creature as long as a double-decker bus and taller than a first-floor window, up to 12 metres long and 4 metres high. That's about 40 feet from nose to tail, and as tall as a grown giraffe at the hip. Imagine standing next to it. Its head would loom far above you, and its body would stretch out longer than most city buses. Even among other dinosaurs, T-Rex was a true giant, dominating its environment with its massive frame. Weighing up to 9 tons, it was a heavyweight predator with a massive skull balanced by a thick, powerful tail. Its skull alone could be over 1.5 metres long, almost as long as a person is tall. The tail wasn't just for show. It acted as a counterbalance, allowing T-Rex to move its enormous head quickly and keep its body stable as it walked or ran. This combination of weight and balance made T-Rex both powerful and surprisingly agile for its size. Its body was built for power, not speed, and some evidence suggests it may have had feathers, at least when young. Fossil impressions and studies of related species hint that juvenile T-Rexes could have been covered in a soft, downy layer, possibly for warmth or camouflage. As they grew older and larger, they may have lost most of these feathers, developing tougher, more scaly skin to protect their massive bodies. The T-Rex's head was its most fearsome feature. Huge, forward-facing eyes for sharp vision, and a skull designed for strength. Its eyes were among the largest of any land predator, giving it excellent depth perception and the ability to spot prey from a distance. The skull was reinforced with thick bones and ridges, allowing it to deliver bone-crushing bites with its powerful jaws. Some scientists estimate that T-Rex had the strongest bite force of any land animal that ever lived. It walked on 2 muscular legs, holding its body nearly parallel to the ground, with a long tail for balance. Each step was powered by massive thigh muscles, and its feet left deep impressions in the earth. Despite its size, T-Rex could move at surprising speeds. Some estimates suggest it could run up to 20 kilometers per hour, fast enough to chase down prey or defend its territory. Its skin may have been scaly or a mix of scales and feathers, changing as it grew. The exact colour and texture remain a mystery, but scientists believe T-Rex could have had patterns or colours that helped it blend into its environment, whether hunting or hiding from rivals. The combination of scales and feathers would have given it a unique appearance, different from the reptilian monsters often shown in movies. Every feature made T-Rex the ultimate predator of its time. Its size, strength, keen senses, and possible feathered coat all contributed to its dominance. Whether stalking prey or defending its territory, T-Rex was a true king of the dinosaurs, perfectly adapted to rule the ancient world. T-Rex lived in what is now Western North America, a land of humid forests, winding rivers, and lush plains during the late Cretaceous period. This was a warm, greenhouse world. No polar ice caps, just endless greenery and abundant life. T-Rex shared its kingdom with Triceratops and Edmontosaurus, thriving at the very end of the age of dinosaurs. It never met Stegosaurus or Allosaurus. Those dinosaurs lived millions of years earlier. The climate supported vast plant eaters, which in turn fed giant predators. Picture T-Rex stalking through dense forests, hidden among ferns and ancient trees, ruling a vibrant, dynamic world. It was perfectly adapted to be the apex predator of its time and place. T-Rex was a carnivore at the top of the food chain, needing huge amounts of meat to survive. Its main prey were large plant eaters like Triceratops and Edmontosaurus. Was it a hunter or a scavenger? Evidence suggests it was both, capable of ambushing prey and also taking advantage of carcasses. Its strong legs, sharp vision, and bone-crushing bite made it a formidable predator. Fossilized bones with T-Rex tooth marks show it hunted and scavenged. Its powerful sense of smell helped it find food from miles away. T-Rex was an opportunist, a terrifying hunter, and a practical scavenger. It never wasted a chance for a meal. T-Rex's mouth was its deadliest weapon, filled with around 60 massive, serrated teeth, some as long as a school ruler. Its bite force was unmatched, strong enough to crush bone and access the nutritious marrow inside. Powerful hind legs propelled it forward, allowing short bursts of surprising speed for such a massive animal. In contrast, its famously tiny arms were only about a metre long, but they were strong and muscular. Each arm ended in 2 sharp claws, their exact purpose still a mystery. The combination of crushing jaws, powerful legs, and those odd little arms made T-Rex a unique and efficient predator. Every part of its body was built for survival. Why did T-Rex have such tiny arms? Scientists have debated this for years. One idea is that the arms helped T-Rex push itself up from the ground. Another theory suggests they were used to slash at prey during close encounters. Some think the arms helped during mating, or that they simply shrank over time as the jaws became the main weapon. These arms, though small, were strong and may have served multiple purposes. The mystery of the tiny arms reminds us how much we still have to learn about these ancient giants. How do we know so much about T-Rex, a creature that vanished over 65 million years ago? The answer lies in the remarkable fossils it left behind. These ancient bones are like time capsules, preserving secrets from a world long gone. Fossils are the key to unlocking the mysteries of the past, and they provide us with a direct link to the life and times of this legendary predator. Paleontologists, the scientists who study ancient life, spend countless hours in the field, carefully excavating dinosaur bones from layers of rock and sediment. Each bone they uncover is a precious clue, offering insights into how T-Rex lived, hunted, and even died. The process is painstaking, requiring patience and precision, as even the smallest fragment can reveal something extraordinary about these prehistoric giants. Once the bones are safely transported to the lab, the real detective work begins. Scientists analyse the size and shape of each bone, comparing them to other fossils to determine the dinosaur's age, sex, and health. By slicing thin sections of bone and examining them under powerful microscopes, they can see growth rings, much like those in trees, which tell us how fast T-Rex grew and how long it lived. These microscopic details can even reveal periods of illness or injury, painting a vivid picture of the dinosaur's life story. Some fossils bear the scars of ancient battles. Healed bite marks on T-Rex bones show that these animals sometimes fought with their own kind, perhaps over territory, food, or mates. These injuries, preserved for millions of years, give us a glimpse into the fierce and competitive world of the Cretaceous period. But bones aren't the only clues. Coprolites, fossilized droppings, are another treasure trove of information. By studying these ancient remains, scientists have discovered that T-Rex had a bone-crunching diet, capable of devouring not just flesh but also the bones of its prey. This tells us about its powerful jaws and digestive system, and helps us understand its role as a top predator. Some skeletons, like the famous Sioux at the Field Museum, have become icons of paleontology. These nearly complete fossils have taught us about T-Rex's lifespan, the injuries it suffered, and even infections that left marks on its bones. Each well-preserved skeleton is a treasure trove of data, helping scientists piece together the puzzle of T-Rex's biology and behaviour. Today, advanced technology allows researchers to go even further. Using digital models and 3D reconstructions, scientists can study the senses of tenses of T-Rex, how it saw, heard, and even smelled its environment. Computer animations bring these ancient creatures to life, showing how they might have moved, hunted, and interacted with their world. This blend of old bones and new technology paints a vivid, dynamic picture of T-Rex as a living, breathing animal. Every new discovery, whether it's a single tooth or an entire skeleton, adds another chapter to the story of T-Rex. With each fossil unearthed, our understanding grows, making T-Rex one of the best understood dinosaurs in history. The excitement of discovery drives paleontologists to keep searching, knowing that the next find could change everything we thought we knew. In the end, the bones of T-Rex are more than just relics. They are a window into a lost world, allowing us to imagine the sights, sounds, and struggles of an age when giants ruled the Earth. 66 million years ago, the age of dinosaurs ended in a cataclysm. A massive asteroid struck Earth, creating the Chicxulub crater in Mexico and unleashing devastation. The impact triggered tsunamis, earthquakes, and a global impact winter that blocked sunlight for years. Plants died, the food chain collapsed, and dinosaurs like T-Rex vanished. Only small, adaptable animals survived, paving the way for mammals, and eventually us. The reign of T-Rex ended suddenly, but its story continues to fascinate. The extinction event reshaped life on Earth forever. T-Rex is the ultimate dinosaur celebrity, featured in museums, movies, and our imaginations. Its power, size, and unforgettable name make it a symbol of prehistoric might. The mystery of its tiny arms, the debate over feathers, and its bone-crushing bite keep scientists and fans intrigued. T-Rex connects us to Earth's deep past and the drama of extinction and survival. It's a reminder of nature's power and the mysteries still waiting to be solved. The legend of the tyrant lizard king roars on, inspiring curiosity in every generation. Long after its footsteps faded, T-Rex remains unforgettable.